Right now, Indiana's COVID numbers continue to trend in the right direction. Hoosier Hospitals reporting just 532 COVID-19 patients are being cared for right now. It is one of the lowest patient census reports that we have gotten since the pandemic started. Good evening to you. Thank you so much for being with us. I'm Fanchen Stinger.
And I'm Dan Spieler. Health officials say that unvaccinated Hoosiers make up a large number of those hospitalizations and more than 99% of new COVID cases. Fox 59's Lindsay Stone breaks down the data tonight. Lindsay?
The Indiana State Department of Health reports the odds of a fully vaccinated person being hospitalized with COVID-19 is 1 in 50,000. The odds of an unvaccinated person being hospitalized is 1 in 525. Health experts say that statistic shows just how effective the vaccine is in preventing hospitalization. But still, some Hoosiers have decided not to be vaccinated.
The vast majority of people who are getting COVID right now, and of course them being hospitalized, are unvaccinated.
Dr. Sean Grant is Vice President of Data and Analytics at the Regenstrief Institute, says the COVID-19 vaccine significantly lowers your chance of being hospitalized with the coronavirus.
The rate of hospitalization among vaccinated people is 94% less than the unvaccinated group.
I reached out to the state health department. It shared the data collected between January 18th to April 30th showed 99.3% of new COVID-19 cases occurred in people who had not been vaccinated.
You have a significantly, massively lower risk of being hospitalized if you receive the vaccine.
At the same time, vaccination numbers are declining across the country.
In Indiana, overall, we're seeing a steady decline. Actually, Marion County has sort of shown recently sort of a stabilization of the rate. I think that's evidence that getting the word out can help.
We're really trying to push a big campaign, a new digital campaign out there, trying to address our 18 to 39-year-olds.
Dr. Virginia Kane, director of the Marion County Public Health Department, says the 18 to 49 age group accounts for 43% of current COVID-19 cases in the county.
Take that vaccine, protect yourself and your loved ones.
Dr. Kane tells me her department is also using pop-up clinics to make it even easier for Hoosiers to get vaccinated. She says vaccination remains the best way to ensure a fun and safe summer. Reporting in the newsroom, Lindsay Stone, Fox 59 News.